Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to register for marriage on eCitizen. Whether you are getting a civil marriage, Christian marriage or Hindu marriage, this guide will help you avoid mistakes that may cause delays. So before you start, make sure you have the following documents. You should have your scanned IDs of the bridegroom and witnesses, scanned birth certificate of the couples, clear passport photos of both the couples, a chief's letter confirming the couples, original death certificate to be scanned if one is a widow or a widower, marriage license where applicable, wedding card where applicable, marriage book serial number for church marriages, marriage book cover where applicable. So all these documents that I've mentioned will be uploaded to eCitizen together with the signed notice of marriage that you will download on eCitizen, sign and upload the notice of marriage before you complete everything. Now that you have all the necessary documents, go to www.ecitizen.go.ke and log into your account. Remember, applications should be done by one party, either the bridegroom or the bride. Once you are in, scroll to the Registra of Marriages. This is where all marriage registration services are found, and you will be directed to the Office of the Attorney General's page in your eCitizen, where you will fill the required details. Next step is to choose your marriage type. The options are civil marriage, Christian marriage and Hindu marriage, among others. You can also select customary marriage, so you choose the one that applies to you, filling all the details required while confirming the documents that you have in order to avoid errors and mistakes. Make sure you write with the correct spellings, full names as per ID or passport, phone numbers, date of birth, residence, parents' name, etc. Upload your documents or any other document depending on the marriage type. Double check everything. Even a small error can delay your approval. The most important thing to do after doing all your correct entries is uploading the required cleared documents and passport photos. You will download the notice of marriage, sign it together with your spouse, scan it and upload it back to eCitizen. After you submit your details, you click complete. You'll be given available dates for your notice of marriage, normally 21 days, and marriage ceremony appointment. So all you have to do is pick a date that works for both partners. Now you can pay through M-PESA, debit or credit card, or even Airtel Money. Civil marriage fees usually include the notice fee and the marriage ceremony fee, depending on your choice of venue. After you pay, download your receipt and confirmation message. You'll need them when visiting the Registra of Marriages. On your appointment day, carry your original IDs. Both partners must be present. Bring witnesses if required. and remember to arrive early. Once the ceremony or registration is done, you'll receive your marriage certificate. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video with anyone planning a wedding. You might save them time and stress. For those who had successfully registered, please accept my congratulations.